Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use a trending filter called Bold Glamour filter on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So the Bold Glamour filter gives the ladies a new makeup look. Apparently, this makes the lips, the eyes, and the skin color more glamorous. So let me show you how to find this filter on TikTok. So first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top right. And here you're searching for Bold Glamour. Now go ahead and tap on any of the videos that are using the effect. Now within that video, you'll see the Bold Glamour effect, which is just above the username, which is right here. Tap on it. This is how the effect looks like. Now to use it, tap on Use this effect. And once you do that, the Bold Glamour effect will be enabled. So let's switch this off and switch it back on. And as you can see, it gives your face a definition. It changes your lips color as well. And it increases the contrast on your face. Now you can go ahead and record your TikTok videos using this effect and then post that video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to use the Bold Glamour effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.